Hey guys, got a couple of packages in the mail, one from Bosnianbill and the other from Norseman Lockpicker. Let's open up the international package first and see what we got in here. I love getting these in the mail, it's like awesomeness. Oh wow, got a lot of good stuff in here. We have Silverline High Security. Oh, it looks like a disc detainer lock. Very nice. Shrouded. Awesome. We have a Euro cylinder. Dimple lock. Very cool. And then the pièce de résistance. We have this lock. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but Norseman picked this lock on one of his videos, and he said he wanted to give it away, so I asked for it, and said he pinned it up pretty evil, so look at that bidding on there. I probably shouldn't have looked at that, but I've seen it from the other video. That's really cool. I think this is the keys for this, yeah? There we go. That works. It's gonna be awesome. I gotta get me a pick for this. That's gonna be lots of fun. This one didn't send any keys, I don't think, for this one. But that's alright. Nope. So it looks like this is a challenge lock, maybe. I don't know, I guess I'll have to figure it out. Thank you, Mr. Norseman. Really appreciate it. Awesome stuff here. Now, let's see what Bill's got for us. Let's see, how should we go about opening this? I think... Whoops. That's why you always want to cut away from yourself, folks. Oh my. Bill, you are super generous, my friend. This is a super package. Oh my. We got a lot of crazy stuff in here. I knew it was heavy as hell. I wasn't sure what was in here. Oh my, we got a lot of stuff to check out. I think that was that Corbin. Oh yeah. Said he pinned that one up nice and evil. So that's a Corbin rim cylinder. Looks like a ton of keys in there. Let's see, we got... Ooh, an old American Junk Brothers lock. Very nice. I like that. Yeah, we got another older American. I'm going to angle the camera just a little bit. Series 570. I think I've seen him pick these. That's really nice. We got... Oh wow, let's see. It's a really old rim cylinder. Van Duprin, I think? Something like that. See if you can see it. Van Duprin. That's really nice. That looks like fun. It's already picked. Looks like a bunch of keys. So we got another rim cylinder here. What we got in here? Oh, another Corbin. This is awesome because I have never seen a Corbin, or never tried picking one anyways. And over here is a mortise cylinder. Looks like a Yale kind of keyway, I think. See if you can see that. Yeah, that looks like a Yale, I think. Oh my, what do we got here? Oh wow, look at that. He'll send me some pics. Awesome. Look at that. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh wow, what's this? Never seen that before. That looks pretty neat. I like that hook. That's gonna be awesome. Got Peterson in here. Very nice. Couple diamonds, a snake rake. Or well, a diamond and one of these ball picks. That's awesome. Amazing bill. We got, I forgot about these little guys. They were in the front. Trimax padlock, really small keyway. Like luggage type locks. That's pretty cool. I think here are the keys for those. There we go. Nice. We got a box over here. I wonder what's in here. Oh, nice. Got a Swiss Army knife. Very cool. Defense Threat Reduction Agency. Very nice. I think we got one more. Oh wow, look at those Peterson picks. Very cool. I've never seen the gray handled ones. Oh, they're a little thicker. Nice. There's that gem. Very, very nice. Oh, I think this is going to come in handy. Is this a DeForest pick, I think? Because, what is it? This, I think this one from Norseman. He used one of these to get into it because of the really deep cuts. Wow. Bill, I can't thank you enough for this amazing package. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I think I covered everything. Let me just double check. Yeah, I did. No, I think, nope, I got that one. I think we got just, okay, he was sending a letter about the picks, how Peterson asked him to send them out. So thank you guys very much, Bill. I can't thank you enough. It's an awesome package. Thanks, guys. I'll get to picking, and I'll have plenty more videos coming. So stay tuned.